I write, I used to sell insurance, I used to be a hairdresser, and I also did accounting for a while. I'm Stuart, I am the copywriter of Next Academy. I do martial arts, rock climbing, some guitar, juggle, and I also did a bit of stand-up and a lot of other stuff. As a writer, I'm always interested in finding ways to combine storytelling and technology. So I tried to make a simple game. It's a text-based adventure game. So my game is about recreating the moment where my colleague flew his drone into the building next door. So when you play the game, you are actually being my colleague and trying to fly the drone. But I changed it in a way that you are releasing the drone soul. So this one, it has multiple modules. So on the left is the code and on the right is the actual game. You can move around, like go north, east and west. And all these rooms are actually actual places in front of Next Academy. And you can even interact with NPCs such as this guy who wants to fight you. Or you can go and buy stuff from a cashier at the counter. You can trade. So I would leave this up to you to go and explore. Actually, I cannot really code, but being around everyone in Next Academy, I felt like their enthusiasm of coding brushed off on me. So I had so much resources beside me, so I decided, why not try it? I don't have the time to do the bootcamp. So the only other way I can do it is by learning on my own. The challenges is I didn't understand programming at all. I thought it was going to be a simple game, so I went on and did it, and I realized that even creating a small object requires so much knowledge on programming. So I spent 2 weeks just trying to understand the basic concepts of programming, and I spent all that time just working out all the bugs and asking our engineers for help. So having them as colleagues is awesome because whenever I have a problem, I can approach them. And I realized whatever I've done is not even 10% of what the students are learning in Next Academy. So it was challenging, but it's rewarding as well. As a writer, I have a website/blog. And knowing how to code, especially the basic front-end stuff, will be very important to me. So this is also one of the few things I've picked up during working at Next Academy. And I can use it to make my website nicer. So if you want to visit my website, go to www.stuartdanker.com. So as someone who is non-technical, who has no coding background, and who is 35 years old, if I could learn how to make a simple game on my own, you will definitely be able to learn how to code with the help of mentors. If I can do it, anybody can. An Indian cracker told a joke. Papadum.